Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain how your new ProfitTree advertisement tab works. Okay, so you can see here there is this new advertisement tab. If you're making a brand new account with ProfitTree, to begin using the advertisement tab, you first need to integrate your Etsy shop with ProfitTree, and you need to wait for this to complete first. So once this is completed and the integration is done, that is step one, and then we can move into step two. Step two is you need to download our free ProfitTree Chrome extension. So let me show you what that looks like. So we have a free Chrome extension here that looks like this. You go in and you will just add this to your Chrome browser and it looks something like this. Now, once you download the Chrome extension and you've integrated your ProfitTree account with your Etsy shop, you're going to want to make sure that your Etsy shop is logged into the same browser that you're going to be analyzing in ProfitTree. So once you log into your Etsy shop in the same browser as well, we're going to go back to ProfitTree. Now that you're logged into the same account in your Chrome browser, that is how the Chrome extension knows that is your account, and it's going to match what account you have in ProfitTree. So if these two do not match, or you have a different multiple accounts in ProfitTree, you need to make sure that you're toggled onto the correct account and the right account is logged into your browser. And as this begins syncing, there was or is going to be a sync button here for you. Once you click that, you're going to see that the ad metrics are going to start syncing with your advertisement tab. And so we're going to be patient and let that come in. Now, one thing to note with this tab. So if you ever toggle the calendar on today, it's never going to have any metrics for you. It only can show you yesterday and before yesterday. So the historical data starting from yesterday, because ProfitTree needs a full day of ad spend to pull in those metrics to get those results. So if you ever come in here and toggle on today, you're not going to see any results because it needs to collect all of that ad spend to see what the results were of the day so that they can show it tomorrow, basically. So that is one thing that I just wanted to point out. Let's move on to the next one. Now, once it syncs, what you'll see is that you will start seeing all of your products file in that are running and making sales with ads for the time period selected. Now, one difference that you might see is that you might not have this break-even ROAS column yet. This is something that we're still working on. So this is obviously a test account. So this is just me showing a prototype. But essentially, you're not going to have this break-even ROAS point yet, but you will have tacos, ROAS, and total sales and total orders. Now, let me just highlight some really cool features about what we're looking at here. So this ad spend amount is the same amount of spend that you have inside of your Etsy marketing tab for your on-site ads. Your tacos is your total cost of sales. So it's your spend divided by your total sales. So if you know that in order to hit the profit margins you want for this product, your tacos need to be at 10%, then you would want to turn off any listings that aren't hitting your target tacos for a good enough data sample of time. So I like to look at things in normally 3-month windows and then month-over-month windows and see how tacos is performing. If your tacos is historically going up over time, that means that it's becoming more expensive to acquire customers and it's costing you more money. If you see that your tacos are going down month over month, that means that it's becoming cheaper to acquire customers and that listing is performing really well with ads. But ultimately, your tacos numbers is a number. What your target tacos are or your target ad cost percentage on the listing level is solely up to what you decide based off profit. And luckily, your dashboard shows you your profit numbers so you can gauge, where you need your target tacos to be to ensure that your ads are being profitable. When you hover over total sales here, you can see the 3 different types of revenue that are coming off of the click of this listings ad. So you have the ad revenue from the listing. So they clicked on the ad and then they purchased directly on that listing. You also have the ad revenue from other listings. So that means they clicked on the ad, but they purchased different products in your shop that were not on this listing. And then you also have listing organic revenue. So the total amount of sales you made only from organic traffic, not from the ads. That is your total sales amount. And again, when you analyze your spend against your total sales in this way, that's giving you a holistic picture of the quality of the clicks going through that listing, whether they were paid or not. And if you hover over total orders right here as well, this is a screenshot, but it's going to actually do the same thing as well. So you will see the breakdown of the orders and the different sources of the order. So there's a lot of really cool, valuable metrics in here. I mean, obviously the most important is tacos and knowing your target tacos. Let us know if you have any trouble at all and if you have any questions. And again, your break-even ROAS is not going to be showing, and you will not have this error bar either, because COGS only matter for calculating the break-even point. So please let us know if you have any question. Don't hesitate to reach out.